Hello my friends, I hope you're doing super duper wonderful, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create this awesome animated gradient effect in PowerPoint. I'm using Office 365, but this should work in pretty much any PowerPoint version. And to create this effect, we'll first have to create a special kind of gradient called Conic. A conic gradient is basically a gradient that goes around a center point, as you can see on the screen. And after that we'll make it spin and add some flying cats just for fun. So, let's go! And before we get started, let me share with you where have I found the inspiration for today's video. And the inspiration comes from uiadrian. You can find him on Instagram and you can find his awesome work with conic gradient there as well. Link is in the video description. uiadrian has created this effect using Figma, a web design tool, and I thought it would be super fun to create it in PowerPoint. By the way, please let me know if you would have more suggestions or ideas what I could try to create in PowerPoint. Thank you so much. Alright, so first of all I started testing if it's possible to create this special conic gradient just using PowerPoint. I've inserted a simple rectangle and tested out all of the gradient options provided by PowerPoint. Linear, radial, rectangular, and path, and it seems that none of them have the effect that we're looking for. And then I've decided to give Figma a try, the same tool that uiadrian is using, and it's really easy to create conic gradients in Figma and export them as PNGs for later use in PowerPoint. So let me show you how we can do that in Figma for absolutely free. And once you log in, by the way, you can use your Google account to log in, you will see something like this, and then just click on New Design File. And here is your Figma canvas, which is absolutely empty. So just click on this button to insert a page or a frame as it's called in Figma. And on the right side we get a list of specific dimensions that we could use, and there is a slide dimension, so let's use it. And this way we have created a beautiful empty slide in Figma. Let's just use different dimensions. Instead of 1920, let's use 2000 pixels for the width, and let's use 2000 pixels for the height as well. So basically we just want to have a nice big rectangle, because this way it will be much easier to work in PowerPoint once we export the conic gradient. And now let's just click on this fill button and let's choose angular gradient. And skadoosh my friends, this way we have easily created a conic or angular gradient. And on the left side we have a beautiful white color, that's awesome. And on the right side we have a white color as well, but on the right side it's absolutely transparent. If I move this transparency slider to the right side, as you can see it becomes normal white, but if I slide it to the left side it becomes absolutely transparent. But of course you can choose any colors that you wish for your second color, choose any hue that you want. But I would recommend sticking with the default gradient colors, where you have white on the left side and completely transparent white on the right side. Because this way we'll have much more flexibility once we export this beautiful gradient as PNG and use it in PowerPoint, because in PowerPoint we will be able to change the slide background fill color and this way change the gradient color. So I'll show you later on how we can do that. And now let's just make sure that we export this beautiful gradient as PNG, and before that we can rename this gradient. Let's just call it conic gradient. And now let's just click on this button, export conic gradient as PNG. And that's super wonderful. Now we can use this conic gradient picture in PowerPoint. And before we continue, let's make sure that we add a color to this white slide, because otherwise it would be hard to notice our newly created beautiful conic gradient. So let's go to Insert Pictures and let's choose our conic gradient. Skadoosh, here it is. Okay, so let's just zoom back a little bit. Let's grab one of the corners, hold down Ctrl-Shift key, and let's increase this gradient until it covers the whole slide. Let's check it out on the full screen, looking beautiful. Alright, now we'll have to make it spin, okay? So basically, we'll have to add a spin animation and this gradient will be spinning like this. But as you can see, some of the corners of the slide are not covered by the gradient, and let me show you how we can fix that. So let's insert a simple circle. We can hold down the Shift key to draw a perfect circle. Okay, let's align it to the center and middle of the slide. Alright, we can make the fill of this circle fully transparent so that we can see what's going on behind it. Hold down Ctrl-Shift keys and increase the circle until it's just a little bit bigger than the slide itself. Okay, and now let's do the same with this gradient. Let's increase it until it's a little bit bigger than this circle. Okay. Now hold down the Shift key, select the gradient, then select the circle, and now let's go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes and choose Intersect. And this way we have basically cropped this gradient to the shape of circle, okay? And now when we will be spinning this gradient around, it will fully cover the whole slide. That's super duper awesome. And now in order to spin this gradient, let's make sure it is selected and let's add a spin animation to it, okay? And now in the effect options we can choose rotation, direction, let's go with clockwise, let's go with full spin. Okay, let's make sure that this animation starts with previous duration 10 seconds. Alright, and in the effect options, let's make sure that this animation is repeated until the end of slide. So basically this gradient will be rotating as much as we want. No smooth or smooth end is required for this animation, and let's give it a preview. Congratulations my friends, we have successfully created a beautiful rotating conic gradient effect in PowerPoint. And to make it even more fun, let's add some slide content so that you could see how you could use this kind of effect in practice. And here I have created a couple of text boxes and a flying cat that we can use, so let's just copy all of these goodies and let's paste them into our slide. And let's give it a full screen preview once again, and this is how the conic gradient effect looks like with some slide content. Looking beautiful, we have a couple of nice text boxes on the left side. The font I'm using is called Hands-On. If you'd like to use it as well, link is in the video description. And on the right side we have this beautiful animated cat. If you'd like to use the same illustration, you can go to storyset.com. Just don't forget to download your illustrations in SVG format, this way it will be much easier to work in PowerPoint. And if you'd like to learn more about animating illustrations in PowerPoint, feel free to check out this video as well. Make your presentations come to life, animated illustrations. And now let's get back to the tutorial. Alright my friends, and next let me show you how we can change the slide background fill color and at the same time change the look of our beautiful conic gradient effect. Okay, so let's make sure we have a duplicate slide, and on the duplicate slide let's change the background fill color and let's use any color that we wish, for example this light purple color. And hooray, this way we have easily changed our conic gradient effect. That's awesome. And now you can see the flexibility of this gradient picture where we have chosen a completely white color on the left side and completely transparent white color on the right side when we were designing this picture in Figma. And now all we have to do is just choose a new background fill color for our slide. And this way we can create as many new and beautiful conic gradient effects as we want. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And now my friends, let me share with you one more trick. Let me show you how we can turn this light gradient into a dark gradient. So let's make sure that this gradient picture is selected. Let's go to picture correction options and let's use this brightness slider. And let's just slide it to the left side until our gradient becomes dark, just like this. And as you can see, this way we get a completely different effect, and if it's too strong, you can use the transparency slider to make it a little bit more subtle. And once again, you can choose different colors for your slide background fill and you'll get different results, and you can try white color as well. This black and white combination looks really impressive. You could use darker colors as well for your slide background fill, but in that case make sure that your text is filled with white so that it would be much more readable. Alright my friends, congratulations! Now you know how you can create this awesome spinning conic gradient effect in PowerPoint. And today's tutorial slides are absolutely free and they will be attached to my Patreon post. Link is in the video description. And by the way, we have recently reached and already passed 600,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I just want to say huge thanks to every one of you, my dear friends. Because of you, I can keep on doing what I'm doing, creating the best PowerPoint tutorials for you that I can. So let's make the next year even better. I wish you wonderful holidays and Happy New Year. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.